Hello, in this video we are going to walk through the Fibonacci price tools for TradeStation 9 point whatever. I went through and checked. 9.0, 9.1, and 9.5 are all basically the same. So for this example I'm using 9.5, but if you use 9.0 or 9.1 you'll be able to get them the same way with these instructions. So in the TradeStation platform, there are two easy ways to get to your Fibonacci drawing tools. Method number one, you can just right-click on the chart and go straight into Drawing and then Fibonacci Tools. Or they also add a shortcut to the drawings right up on your menu bar here. So you can click Drawing, Fibonacci Tools, and then get in here. The only two that we need to concern ourselves with are the two-pointed tool, the price retracement lines, and then the three-pointed tool, the price extension lines. So if we click on price retracement lines to get to the two-pointed tool, we'll see the cursor changes, and from there we can go ahead and choose by clicking a high to low swing. And once we do that, it will draw those retracement levels. Like most platforms, they look at levels in between, not really price projections like we like to look at here at Simpler. So what you want to do is right-click any of those and choose Format Fibonacci Price Retracement Lines. Once you do that, it'll pop open a menu here where, once again, we can deselect anything that we don't want to see. And then we can just type in the levels we do want to see. So we like looking at the 1272 extension and also the 161.8 extension. And you can also at this point choose if you would like to make it bigger, make it dashed, change the color, do whatever you want. I think this is fine for me. So I would choose set as default and OK. And then the next time I go up and draw another one, it is just by default going to show me exactly what I want to see. Now we can go ahead and remove these, and I will show you the three-pointed tool. So same process, drawing Fibonacci tools, go in and choose this time price extension lines. So from here, we once again choose a high to low swing, and go up and project it from the most recent high. And then same thing here, we'll right click and choose Format Fibonacci Price Extension Lines. And in this window that pops up, we really only want to see that 100%, right? So I would go ahead and turn all those off, choose my set as default, and hit OK. And then when you want to draw another one, price extension, all you have to do is choose your points and it'll draw. Alright, well I really hope that helps. If you do have any other questions, just please log into Simpler Trading, click Foundation on the left hand side and enter the Simpler Tech area, and there's a little button right on top where you can submit your questions to me. Thanks again, we'll talk to you soon.